Hi guys, welcome to our another video on Google Ads. So today we will discuss how to create a feed, Google shopping feed for a WordPress website. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Hi guys, so let me show you how to create a Google shopping feed for a WordPress website. So for doing that, first of all, we need the backend access. Backend access like WordPress backend access, WordPress email ID and password, so that we are able to log in at the backend and do this stuff. As I have already I have already the credential of the backend of the WordPress, so I will log in into it. I will click on the login button. This is the website, and for this website we need to create feed like Google shopping feed. So first of all, I will go to the back end of the website, and it takes time. Yeah, now we are at the back end, and here we will create a feed for the website. As you can see, now we are successfully logging into the back end of the website. So now our first step is to install a plugin. The plugin is used to create feed. Let me show you which plugin we need to install at the back end of the WordPress. I will go to the plugin section. Yeah, and I will click on the add new plugin button. And here we need to write CPX Feed. As you can see, this is the plugin. As I have already installed it, so it's showing active at my end. So you need to install this plugin and activate it. Once you activate it, it will showcase in the install plugin section of the WordPress back. Let me check CPX. Yeah, here you can see our plugin is successfully installed, and you can see it here as well. CTX plugin, yeah, this one. As you can see, at the right corner we are able to see our CTX feed. So now we need to go to the manage feed section in the CTS plugin. I'll click on it. Now we are on the feed section, and here we need to create a new feed. Like, as I have already created feed for USA, so if you want to create a feed for different country, you can do it here. So let me show you how to create a feed first. We need to click on the new feed button, and here you can see we need to choose the country first. As I will choose it Australia. I will choose the template Google shopping. Here you need to choose the template Google shopping, and then we will proceed. And here you need to choose category, like which kind of product you are selling. As we are selling product animal and pet supplies, so I will choose it. You can choose any of them. Like if you are selling shirts, you can check the category here, like apparel, accessory, clothing, shirt. It is basically the Google taxonomies which we need to implement. And once you will choose the category, you need to choose the brand as well. As I will choose the brand here. These are basically the Google taxonomies. Taxonomies mean to say we need to give the instruction to Google which kind of product category we are selling, and Google have created different taxonomies. So if you want, I will create another video on Google taxonomy. So basically it is used for categorization purpose. So once we will choose the category, now we need to go to the, if you have a brand, you are selling like prices, you are selling different brand product in a same website, you can choose the brand as well. So as we have only one brand, so there is no need to choose the brand. And just like manufacturer brand is Totros, if you have different brands, then we'll choose different as well. Okay, so this is how we create the feeds attributes. So it is basically the feed attributes which will showcase to the visitors. Okay, so now I will click on the update and generate feed button. Oh, we have not named the feed. I will name it feed Australia, so that we will able to know which country feed is this. So now I'll click on the update and generate feed button. It will take some time. As you can see, it's generating the product feed, and now it's completed. Now we will go to the manage feed section in the CPX Feed plugin, and once we got here, you can see we have the XML file of the feed Australia. So I will copy the same, and now this comes the second part. In the second part, we need to go to our Google Merchant Center account, and here we need to put that XML link so that it will automatically generate feed for all the products that are present in the WordPress backend. So I will click on the add primary feed button, and here I will choose the country, for which country I need to create the feed. I will use the language English because my customers are English people, so I will choose English language, and I will choose the category like it is for free listing Australia and shopping ads. I will click on the continue button. I will name it feed Australia, and I will now we have three options here: upload, schedule fetch, or Google Sheet. So for an automatic feed for WordPress, we need to choose the schedule fetch option, and here I will click on the continue button, and I will name the feed is feed Australia, and here we need to put that URL, like the URL we have created at the WordPress backend. We will put it here, and once we will put it here, we will create on the create feed button. And as you can see, our feed is being processed. So once you go to the feed section in the Google Merchant Center account, as you can see, we have created the same feed for USA, and it is being published. So we have done it for Australia as well, so it will take time like 24 hours. So after that, all the products will be published here, and we will able to use them in our Google Ads account. So this is how we create a feed for a WordPress website in the Google Merchant Center account.
Thank you for watching my video. If you have any query or concern regarding the Google Shopping feed, you can comment below. And please do like, share, comment on our video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.